Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn how to make Facebook account private on PC. So let's learn. This is my Facebook account and I want to lock it and I don't want to see anyone to my account and any information. What you have to do is to click on settings and privacy, and then you have to click on privacy checkup, and what you have to do is to click here who can see what you share, and now click on continue, and then you have to do only me, and then this, just do only me as you want to be possible, and do everything is only me, and hometown obviously only me because I don't want to see anyone and you want it to be your account private. So here you do everything is only me. I don't want anyone to see my everything. So now I'm going to click on button next, and then I'm gonna do is to default audience friends, yes, only me, and then control who can see your story. So here you have to custom this, and then you have to choose only one person that is your best friend, or you trust on him, or he doesn't care about your story. Then choose only one friend and then save it. I don't have any friends, so I'm gonna cancel it, and now save it. So now I'm going to click on limit post. Limit post is yes, next, and then next. And review another topic, yes. Now you have to click on this how people can find you on Facebook. So continue this, everyone, not friends or friends, and then next, and this you are going to do no one, and people with your email address, possible connections, no one obviously, and then next it, click on next. Sorry, you have to disable this button. Do disable it simply, and then click on next button. Review another topic. Here you can see I almost completed my privacy, and now you have to click on setting and privacy, and then settings, and then you come on this page. You can see audience and visibility. You have to click on profile details. So first I clicked on this profile details. Who can see your future post? Obviously only me, and limit who can see passports. You can also click on friends, or you have on customs, it's up to you. And who can see passports, obviously limit passports. Click on this, and then you have to click on how people can find you on contact. So here you can see who can see your stories, obviously only my friends, and allow others to share your public stories to their own stories, just simply disabled, and let them be like this. And then you have to click on post, and you have to see allow others to share your reels and reels to their stories, obviously no. Who can see your reels? Just click on it, and then click on friends button, just save it, and now you have to click on store read followers and public content, and you can see who can follow me, obviously friends, and who can see your followers on your timeline, obviously only me, and who can see the people pages and listed you to follow, then only me, done. And who can comment on your public post? It's up to you. I want friends, so I just kept this friends, obviously friends, and then left it like this. And now you have to click on profile and tagging. Who can post on your profile? Only me, obviously. Who can see what other post on your profile? Only friends. And yeah, that's it. And now it's the last option, you can check it's blocking. Block, I don't want to anyone to block, and I'm gonna left this like this. But if you want to change something, then you can change. And here you can come to see my profile, and here you can see here I wanted to view as and then click on the view as. Here you can see my profile is completely now locked and private in PC. So this is how you can change your public Facebook account into a private account in PC. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.